Here?
Yeah.
This is like tornado type stuff.
Yeah.
Might be a tornado coming through here.
Yeah.
It's heavy. Wow. They're going 20 miles an hour. I can't see a thing.
Yeah.
Think my board stopping and just letting this thing pass?
Yeah, maybe stop, get some dinner.
Yeah, because this is like tornado type of stuff out here.
Yeah. Like,
I'm going 10 miles an hour. I can't see anything.
yeah.
This one's got to have a
There's
tornado.
cars like stopping in the
Yeah,
middle
literally
of the
stop
road.
in case anything. This one might have a tornado.
Yeah. Okay, I can see to the side of me, but I can't see forward.
Yeah. Is there an exit with it we can take?
Yeah, there's an exit. And there's at least some chilies. And I don't even care at this point.
Yeah. I'll keep it rolling slowly. We're in a mountain pass. If we get a tornado, it's gonna split us.
Yeah.
It's gonna be some scary stuff.
Yeah.
So look and see if there's a tornado active on the ground on the other.
Yeah.
Do a tornado
I'm
track.
gonna do the tornado out.
I'm thinking there might be a tornado because all these cars stop. They might know what's up.
Yeah.
They might think if there's a tornado ahead, they're gonna start stopping already.
There's a lot of car stops.
When there's many people stopping, they might know there's a tornado.
Yeah. Arkansas. I'm not seeing it on a map. I was just saying Arkansas. Arkansas, Louisiana, Colorado.
No tornadoes in Alabama yet?
No, not yet.
Bueno, para abrir, pues sí.
Oh my gosh.
Blinded me, man.
There's a little bit more visibility now, but it's still really bad.
Check the tornado traffic again.
I know.
This part of the road is horrible.
Mississippi and Tennessee. There's one in Mississippi.
Oh, so there are tornadoes in this bend.
On the north side,
So
by
many-
the Tennessee, Arkansas, Mississippi.
Yeah. There's definitely potential for tornado here. Oh, water coming down now. It's like a waterfall. Look how dumb this person is. They parked so close to the outside of the road.
Yep.
only can see like, whoa, the road's like a river.
Yeah. Déjale el aire.
Lo apago.
Del lado de ella.
Close the vents on your side. Yo apago el aire porque mucho frío.
A ella se le da el aire.
Oh, please
Le
don't
da
tell me.
corriente.
Okay, here we go. Have a little break. There's some scary weather, man.
Yeah.
Keep checking the tornadoes.
Yeah.
It could change at any moment.
I keep checking it, love. No va a acampar en toda la noche.
No. Son bandas que pasan. Around Clanton, there's always tornadoes.
Yeah.
We're driving right into that, so this area is kind of tricky.
So,
Look at the radar map and see if there's any circulation anywhere. Sometimes you can see it on the radar before you see it on the tornado tracker.
yeah.
That's how the Hoover tornado was. I saw it before it hit the radar. Wow. Ambulance already? Nope, those are. Oh, look at this right here. Oh, snap.
Oh,
Hey, look at this. Wow. Ooh, we might want to get some dinner. You think it's just a passing band?
let's get some dinner.
And we'll wait and we'll drive back once it's all passed.
Yeah, it's says it's gonna
Sabor
pass.
Latino, the place, the Salvadoran place, how's that place? Are they open? We passed it yet? They're in Pound, right? I mean, they're not great, but I mean, at least we eat something. I'm actually okay with Jack's. I don't know if you guys are okay with Jack's.
No, we're not.
Don't speak for Dad. Gotta talk for Dad. You might want to talk for himself.
Yes, they are open today.
Okay.
They're about 5 miles up the road. Bobby, you give me the paper towel.
Whoa! Light show.
Yeah. Always.
Cortisol in it.
Yeah.
Straight you right up. Hope we don't get any hail. Hail damage is horrible. I'm sure insurance will cover that, right?
Yeah. They'll have,
Wow.
they'll put safe plate out.
That one piece sounded like hail for sure. I don't like these people on top of me. I don't like these people on top of me. Space. I'm gonna speed up a little bit. I don't like people passing me.
Yeah.
I say you want cars near you. A little bit there, I have nobody around me. Now I got cars trying to pass me.
Yeah.
So. There's opening on top of us.
Oh, that's
Not good at all.
No,
That's bad.
that's really bad.
This is bad. See this opening right here? Really,
Yeah.
really bad stuff. Motorcycle. Oh, I gotta feel bad for that guy. Oop. I don't like this opening at all. With thunder around it?
Yeah.
That's bad. You gotta get out of here.
Yeah.
We're in a bad spot here. Opening with thunder around See how the sky's kind of got a glow to it? That's bad. We're in a really bad spot.
Yeah.
We've got 2 pieces of hail hit us already.
Yeah.
I've heard twice already and the hail hit us.
Yeah.
Not that we haven't gone through like a whole band of hail, but there's 2 pieces of hail. We gotta build a carport at the house.
Yeah.
We're in a bad spot right now. It's interesting how on the phone you can actually make out the details of the clouds better than with the naked eye.
Yep.
You can actually see the cars and the road better through the phone
Yeah.
than you can through the naked eye.
Yeah.
Validale Road. This stretch of road is dangerous without rain.
Yeah.
I don't like this stretch of road at all.
In 2 miles, use the right lane to take exit 246 for Alabama 119, Cajon Valley Road.
Where was that, the Latino restaurant?
Yeah.
You think Dad's gonna like that?
Well, he likes the one in Fort Myers.
Yeah, but the one from Myers is good.
Well, this one is good too.
I don't really remember it being like that. For me. I don't think he's gonna do it with it.
He doesn't like anything. And he's not gonna tell you whether he likes it or
There
not.
aren't too many Spanish places. What about that Tin Top place? They're awesome. See if they're open. See if the Tin Top is open.
Okay. Let me see.
That place is awesome. Being a Monday, they might be close.
Yeah, they are close.
Dang it, man. Is there anything in downtown Clinton? That's like, you know, like the top places like American would like.
Let me see, because we need to get off at this exit right here.
This is Kahawa. We have to get off here regardless.
Yeah.
Continue on I-65 south for 3/4 of a mile.
So what do we do? Do we get off here or do we keep
Get
going?
off here. Let's go to that Salvadorian restaurant.
Do we do that?
Yeah.
He ain't gonna like it.
In
He
half a
doesn't
mile,
like
use the right lane.
He doesn't like anything, but I'm not even in the mood. I'm not even in the mood for it.
Cajon Valley
Forget what he likes. He's not gonna like it regardless. But what about us? I don't even want to have that Salvadorian place.
I mean, there's like Cracker Barrel at this exit.
Yeah.
That sounds really good. What's wrong?
Cracker Barrel?
Yeah.
Too many people probably.
No.
Use the right lane to take exit 246.
There's no down. Calera, do they have anything in their downtown that's kind of like?
In a 1/4 mile, use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto Alabama 119 South, Highway 119 South.
We got a lot of video in today.
Yeah.
Use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto Alabama 119 South, Highway 119 South.
Hey, 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 hey. Whoa, 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 hey, hey, I love how pretty these storms are.
Yeah.
Oh man, it is scary.
Yeah.
That one's gonna become a tornado by the time it gets to like Pell City, I think.
Doesn't look too crowded. It doesn't
Continue
look
on
crowded.
Alabama 119 South for 3/4 of a mile.
It doesn't look crowded at the Cracker Barrel.
Does it really?
Yeah, it looks fine.
Usually they're way.
No. That's just Saturday morning.
It's a Saturday morning today?
No.
How about
They're
Hooters?
crowded.
Oh, let's go to Hooters. They have horrible food. I wish I never go there.
Go to Cracker Barrel, love.
How about Hooters? I heard the service.
We could go to Applebee's.
Look at that little cloud right in front of us right over there. They got some action going on with that one. That one's got some action going on up there. I've had Applebee's. I'm not even I'm in the mood for Applebee's. I'm usually the one
Yeah.
saying Applebee's. Captain D's is too harsh on you. Papi, ¿qué quieres comer? That's what he thinks.
Yeah, fish. He doesn't
¿Cómo
care.
que no? Tienes que comer algo.
No, yo me tomo un poquito de leche con café ya.
No, he just wants coffee, man.
Yo por la noche no como porque...
Okay.
Pero si quieren comer...
2
ustedes,
pesos cantina. I can't eat Mexican. That storm in front of us has a tornado.
Yeah.
Look at that thing. Look how dark it is.
We should go to that Cracker Barrel.
Want to do Cracker Barrel? Cracker Barrel is good. I'm not gonna lie.
I like Cracker
They
Barrel.
have a good coffee. I'm in the mood for it. Let's do it. Let's
Yeah,
pull
let's
these
go
from
to
somewhere.
Cracker Barrel.
Cool. Cracker Barrel. And you said that they weren't crowded, right?
No.
Because it's right by the highway too. Dude, you can see from here when the road turns. You can actually see back in that direction.
1,000 feet. Make a U-turn at Oak Park Drive.
It's an Olive Garden or Starbucks.
Starbucks
Make a
next
U-turn
to
at Oak Park
a
Drive.
Margarita Grill.
Yeah. Dude, I love how you can see like the incoming bands.
Yeah.
What's a health club? I'll pull a U-turn
It's
over
like
here.
I think it's like a gym.
Dude, look at these clouds.
Head west on Cahaba Valley Road, then turn right onto Pelham Parkway.
There's
This
a
is 31.
saloon over
Turn
there,
right
yeah.
onto Metro Parkway.
Well, I'm not even on the road, bro. I'm like on the median.
I think there's an access road that'll take you where you need to go.
Is there? Look at the map, tell me.
Yeah.
Water train. These
What was
clouds,
it?
Is there or no? Look at the map.
It was back there. It was really,
Look at these clouds, man.
but it looks like you commerce
Right onto
Oh,
Commerce
is that it?
Boulevard.
right here.
Is that it right there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You can get back through here. So this is it right here?
Yes, baby.
Half a mile. Turn left
Scary,
on Highway
scary
119
story.
north Cahaba Valley Road.
Our storm chasing video got 10,000 views on one Bravo.
Yeah.
When there's tornadoes, we gotta pay attention to that. We gotta get some storm chasing equipment.
Yeah.
Our hood videos and storm chasing. People like people want to kill. Our subscribers want to kill us, man.
Yeah.
We do a video in the suburbs. Nobody cares. Not what they're into.
They
We do a
wanna
nice
see
suburban
their
drive.
chase
They
tornadoes.
either want to see us get hit by like tornadoes or like get shot at in the hood.
Oh my
Our
gosh.
subscribers do not like us. They're just like dying for something bad to happen to us. I mean, really.
Yeah.
It's like whenever we do something dangerous and stupid, even like they even like donate money to us. Like when we get like
Yeah.
when a tornado came through our town, they were like, "This is what we want." Cracker Barrel's good. You can't have his
Yeah.
café con leche. So it's that way. I'm kind of split between Applebee's. I'm just not in the Applebee's.
I don't want Applebee's. I
No,
want
I'm in a
Cracker Barrel.
On a rainy day, you don't go to Applebee's. You go to Cracker Barrel on a rainy
Valley
day.
Road.
No doubt about that. Cracker Barrel, Cracker Barrel. This sounds like an offensive. Doesn't that sound offensive? Cracker Barrel.
Well, I mean, we're from Florida, so cracker means something completely different. Yeah.
That's mean something worse here in Alabama than
Yeah.
in Florida.
True.
Dang, I never even looked at it that way.
Yeah.
Why don't white people hate Cracker Barrel?
I know, right?
Right? They should be like mad at it. Like, what was that one restaurant that had to change their name? Aunt Jemima had to change her name.
Oh, that wasn't a restaurant. That's like a national chain and a supermarket.
Yeah. Which is funny because like there's a photo. What state are they from? Like Iowa or something? She's from like from some like.
Quarter mile. Turn left onto Drivers.
She's from some like weird like state out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
And there's a photo of I don't know where it's at. I didn't see it. You gotta tell me where it's at.
It's 0.2 miles.
Well, anyways, Aunt Jemima, she there's a photo of her at like a restaurant or something,
Right here.
like in Iowa or some like.
Yeah, right here.
She's like the only like black person. She's got like 500 white people around her hugging her, and they're like, she can cook, whatever. So.
¿Tú no ibas a comprar algo ahí?
Vamos a entrar a Cracker Barrel, papi, para que tomemos un café con leche. Cracker Barrel.
He likes Cracker Barrel when he's at it.
He likes it. I don't really like anything on their menu in particular.
Oh, I love Cracker Barrel.
Left or right? I'm not,
Straight ahead.
straight ahead. I'm not really attracted.
See, it's not too many people here.
Yeah, it's not too bad. For being in a suburb, it's not bad at all. Alright. Can I pull straight forward? Oh, God.
No.
And that's disabled parking?
Yeah.
He has a disabled parking thing, he just didn't bring it. Alright, guys. There it is.
Yeah.
A drive through Birmingham area through a very scary storm.
Yeah.
You guys like that for some reason. As long as we're in danger, they're happy.
Yeah.
They like. Is there a way I can get any closer to your side? Because I'm almost.
I don't.
Let's see. Oh, that's a really small parking spot on that side. I guess it's for a motorcycle. Move forward a little bit. Well, these tires, I can almost get us right to the table.
Yeah.